Welcome back to Brick by Brick. Today we're going to be reviewing LEGO Ideas Set 21321. It's got 864 pieces. It's the International Space Station, and I didn't use this set as an investment. This set I actually bought for the purpose of opening up and building. So let's go over what I think about the set. So here it is. It's got a lot of cool features. It's got this little astronaut guy. It's got 3 of those that come with the set, and some other kind of cool aspects of it. One of my favorite is this little space shuttle right here that can fit right next to the little plaque piece for the International Space Station. And then it also comes with several of these little satellite builds, which I thought were really fun. And it also comes with this little capsule thing that lands in the ocean after a space mission. And then for the build itself, it's got these giant solar panels kind of areas which add a lot to the set. And it also has this fun little arm that can move around, which is kind of fun. The arm is not very structurally sound, but it's a fun little addition to the build. I also really like these little golden pieces right here. They make it a lot more space-like, I guess you could say. And then on the back of it, back here, you've got quite a few other solar panel-y kind of areas. Some of this could detach pretty easily though. So that part isn't the most structurally sound, which I don't love, but I really like these wings. I like the orange on them. Helps make up for this possibly not very structurally sound Lego. But yeah, it's a great set. I'm going to be keeping this one around for a while. And if you're able to buy this set for 20 to 25% off, I was able to get this one for about 25% off. If you're able to do that, it could be a great set. It's a fun one to build, and I would recommend getting the set. Thank you.